The Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. The SC3 is Karcher's fastest heating steam cleaner and is ready to use in just 40 seconds. And with all the accessories you need, this steam cleaner can be used to clean most surfaces. Using nothing but tap water, the SC3 deep cleans all around your home, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria. The extension tubes, EasyFix floor tool, and microfiber cloth ensure deep cleaning on most types of hard flooring, including stone, laminate, and vinyl. With a simple switch to the hand tool, you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub, from tiles, work surfaces, stovetops, and doors, to glass and shower areas. The SC3 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush let you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard-to-clean places where grime and lime scale build up. What's more, the SC3 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily fill it and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can simply be removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC3 can then be stored away with ease.
Sometimes life gets a little sticky, especially for families on the move, and a quick wipe just won't cut it for some spills and splats. But with the BISSELL Power Fresh Steam Mop at your side, you'll have the upper hand on the really tough stuff. The retractable Easy Scrubber quickly cleans dried-on sticky spots and gets down into crevices when and where you need it. It's easy to adjust the steam for your cleaning needs with the digital Smart Set Steam Control. Quickly switch between low, medium, and high steam for everyday cleaning or to tackle stubborn, sticky messes. Exceptional maneuverability makes it easy to reach into tight corners and steam away the grime that builds up under cabinets and along baseboards. And the Easy Scrubber is also great for cleaning tile and getting into grout. The PowerFresh Steam Mop sanitizes with steam, which kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Use the Spring Breeze fragrance discs to freshen up areas that you and your family use every day, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. And the removable water tank is easy to fill from any sink. When you're done, simply use the Quick Grip Release tab to pull off the mop pad and toss it into the wash for use again and again. The BISSELL Power Fresh Steam Mop makes it quick and easy to freshen up your home so you can move on to the next thing that life throws your way.
Our Dirt Grip pads were developed to lift and lock dirt while cleaning. These pads have special fibers that trap dirt deep inside, rather than depositing it back onto your floors. They give you an amazing clean with short drying times. Our Dirt Grip pads are also double-sided, so you can clean twice the surface area without having to change pads. Just flip the mop head over and keep cleaning. Incredible cleaning, fast drying times, and double-sided washable pads. All thanks to the Dirt Grip technology. To purchase replacement Dirt Grip pads and other accessories.